Hi, in this video I will show you how to find people near you on the Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple. If you want to see your near friends on the Snapchat, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application, and once you will here, now you have to click on the map here. Once you will click on the map, now you will simply click on it, and here is you, and you will also see all of your friends like this. Click on the search. So if your friends location is turned on, you will see all of your friends near you like this is you, and here you will also see all of your friends near you if their location is enabled. So this is the procedure to find the friend near you on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.